It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, May 24th. I'm James Spann. Hot, dry weather continues for at least the first half of this week. Evidence there could be a few isolated showers, maybe by Thursday and Friday. Let's take a look at the upper air pattern. You know the deal. There's a strong upper high right on top of us, and that's the reason it's hot and dry. Not troughing back in the western states. High amplitude pattern. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 60s, got a few 50s, Aniana 55. Highs today should be in the low 90s in most spots, much like yesterday. There's the watch warning map across the country this morning, very quiet. Once again, strong to severe storms likely today from West Texas up through the plains into the western Great Lakes. Also a marginal risk over parts of Virginia and West Virginia. Tomorrow, a marginal risk. West Texas to the Wisconsin, western Great Lakes. And then on day 3, which is Wednesday, we've got a risk of severe storms over Nebraska and some of the adjacent states, and also a marginal risk over the Northeast United States. So will it rain here anytime soon? Maybe. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the big numbers out across the Great Plains states. This is suggesting rain amounts could be in the 1/4 to 1/2 inch range over the Tennessee Valley, with not much for the rest of the state. And again, maybe a few isolated showers late this week or over the weekend. Tropical weather. Ana was a very brief storm in the middle of nowhere that's now off the board. Otherwise, things are very quiet across the Atlantic Basin. The official beginning of the season about a week away. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. 588 upper high on top of us. Troughing back in the west, and again, sunny, hot, low 90s. Tomorrow, sunny and hot with low 90s. And Wednesday, partly to mostly sunny, and again, no evidence of any change, will most likely be in the low 90s. Thursday, there could be a few isolated showers over the northern quarter of the state as the upper high begins to break down a little bit. And this is Friday. You don't see much here, but moisture levels should be higher. The air aloft a little colder, so we'll mention widely scattered showers Friday afternoon, Friday evening, especially for the northern half of the state. But again, nothing widespread. And that's pretty much the deal for the weekend. We'll call it partly sunny on Saturday and Sunday with a few isolated or widely scattered showers. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. And a week from today, Monday, May 31st, Memorial Day, got a 594 upper high well to the west over El Paso, but the ridge extends eastward in here. And again, we'll mention isolated showers. But again, we stress nothing widespread. However, look at this now. This is Wednesday of next week, June the 2nd. If by chance this works, the pattern flips. We have a western ridge and an eastern trough, and if that happens to verify, we'll have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms toward the middle part of next week that would break the heat and bring us some needed rain. But I stress, this is 10 days out, and we all know this could change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 8th of June. And the numbers off the national blend of models, you can see mostly low 90s this week, and then highs back in the upper 80s over the weekend and into next week. Mid 80s by Thursday, June the 3rd. Almost sounds like a cool wave. And the CPC outlook, this is for May 31st through June the 6th. Temperatures below average over Texas and the adjacent states, but around here, if this verifies, temperatures would stay a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock today. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.